Hi folks, welcome to this very quick overview of Send Your Mails. I'm here inside the members area, and as you can see, everything that you need is here. We've got introductions to my YouTube and Facebook groups, welcome from Julie, my launch partner, and then we move into an overview of Send Your Mails, then a quick introduction to the training, and then we're going to get straight into setting up your 5 emails. So basically you're going to be able to send us just the subject line, the body of the email, and the URL of the 5 emails, effectively solo ads, that you want to send out to all the members across my 30,000, I wish I had 30,000 sites, across my 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche, and you can send those emails out. You can either send the same email out 5 times, or you can send 5 entirely different emails. It is entirely up to you, and they will go out in the next available slot. So I just want to clarify they're not all going to go out at once, because we are going to be limiting the number that go out each day to ensure that you get a better response from them. And then we'll get on to the main body of the training here in Send Your Mails, which is access to 15 different websites that are going to enable you to email 500,000 people each and every day. That's right, you can actually send an email to 500,000 people each and every day, and in most cases that is going to be completely free of charge if you follow the methods inside this training. So absolutely fascinating knowledge, folks, for a crazy low price, front end price of less than $10 if you pick this up during the launch, and even if you're picking up after the launch, it's still great value. So myself and Julie look forward to seeing you inside the members area of Send Your Mails.